Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making kitchen sink carrot cake. I call it kitchen sink carrot cake because it has just about everything in it. We're also going to make an Italian honey cream cheese buttercream. Sounds fancy, but I promise it's super simple. Let's go ahead and get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Spread 1 cup of any combination of walnuts and pecans on a baking tray and toast for 5 minutes while the oven preheats. As the nuts toast, grate the carrots. You'll need about 5 medium peeled carrots. You can definitely do this step by hand, but I like using a food processor to speed things up. Next, prepare the cake pans. Butter and line 3 8-inch pans and dust with flour. After the nuts have cooled, give them a rough chop and set aside. Alright, let's get started on the cake batter. To the bowl of a stand mixer fitted with the paddle attachment, cream together 1 cup of oil followed by 4 eggs and 1.5 cups of sugar. Making sure that all of your ingredients are room temperature is really important for achieving an even bake and texture. After 5 minutes, the wet ingredients should be nicely blended and create pale yellow ribbons. Next, add 1/2 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, baking powder and soda, salt, cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom to a large bowl. Whisk to combine. Add the dry mixture to the wet and pulse several times, scraping the bottom of the bowl as needed. To finish, add the carrots, nuts, crushed pineapple, and golden raisins. Gently mix till just combined. Add the batter to your prepared cake tins. I like using a kitchen scale just to make sure that everything is the same weight so all of my layers are even. Tap the pan on the counter to remove any air bubbles and use an offset spatula to smooth out the top. Arrange the pans in the oven, leaving a little bit of space between each of them. About halfway through, carefully rotate. You'll know the cakes are ready when a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Let them cool in their pans before carefully inverting onto cooling racks. To make the Italian honey cream cheese buttercream, Add 4.5 ounces of room temp egg whites to the bowl of a very clean stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. Run on medium speed until soft peaks form. While the whites whip, bring 9 ounces of honey to a boil and continue cooking until it reaches 240 degrees. When the honey comes to temperature and the egg whites have achieved soft peaks, reduce the speed of the mixer and slowly stream the honey into the whites. Reduce the speed, add a pinch of salt, followed by the softened butter in 1 tablespoon increments. Transfer the buttercream to a bowl and swap out the whisk with the paddle attachment. Add the room temp cream cheese to the bowl and mix until soft and spreadable. Swap back to the whisk attachment and add the buttercream to the cream cheese in small increments. Continue mixing for about 30 more seconds until whipped and combined. Transfer the buttercream to a piping bag. For nice, even layers, carefully use a serrated knife to level off the tops of each cake. For clean edges, arrange several strips of parchment paper underneath the bottom layer. To construct, fill each layer with buttercream and use a small offset spatula to gently push the buttercream towards the edge. Repeat with each layer, then cover the cake with the remaining buttercream. Continue the gentle pushing motion until you're satisfied with the look of the cake. To decorate, gently press some chopped pecans all over the base of the cake and cut little triangles out of thinly sliced carrots and arrange around the top of the cake with some thyme to create little carrot tops. And voila, kitchen sink carrot cake. I am so excited to dig into this cake, so let's take a taste. The cake is super moist, and that frosting is so light and fluffy, but still tastes like cream cheese. This would be perfect to have for an Easter celebration, and I've linked the recipe below, but make sure that you like and subscribe for a new video every Sunday. I'll see you in the next one.